First, open YouTube Studio and go to the Content tab. This is where you'll find all your uploads, including shorts. Before using shorts to drive traffic, ask yourself, is this short connected to a longer video I already have? If yes, perfect. That's when you can use it to drive traffic. Why? Because you want to bring in viewers who are already interested in the content, which gives your video a performance boost. Now here's how you set it up. Add the long-form video and related videos on the short. Add that long-form video as the pinned comment, and if you want to push it harder, add a quick CTA inside the short itself. The goal here isn't just views, it's relevant viewers. When people who are already interested click through, they'll watch longer, engage more, and that gives the algorithm strong signals to push your long-form video to even more people. Now method 2, this one is simple but really powerful, sharing your videos. But don't just drop your link everywhere. Only post your video in niche-related communities. For example, if your video is about YouTube tips, share it in YouTube creator groups, not in a random gaming or cooking server. Here's why. If the wrong audience sees your video and ignores it, YouTube thinks your video isn't good, and it stops recommending it. But if the right audience sees it and it performs, YouTube will start pushing it to even more people. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.